Good morning, friends. We're going to do calendar today, okay? First, let's pick a letter. Let's see. I picked this letter today. What letter is this? That's right, it's a T, right? This is the uppercase T, and this is lowercase t. T makes what sound? T makes the t sound. Nice job. Let's click T. Is this T? No. This is T, yes. Okay. Ooh, that's loud. I'm going to turn it down.
T.
Wow, there we go. T. Did you see the train go by on the tracks? Those are both words that start with T. T. And if you want to do something extra hard for some friends, if you see the word on the screen, you can try to write it on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper. That would be nice. So you can try to write the word train and track. This is one of the animals we've been talking about with our zoo animals, right? What is this? It's a tiger. Oh, he roared, right? So that's a tiger. Sometimes you see tigers at the zoo. Oh, this is a number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Number 10 looks like this, right? 10. So this is the number, and that's the number word. 10. Nice job. This is called a taxi. Sometimes you see a taxi in the city, like maybe in Boston, if you go to Boston.
Taxi.
And then they take you to where you want to go. There's a lot of taxis here. Lots of numbers on the taxis. 10 taxis. There's a turkey on the taxi. That's silly. Okay, here comes the train. You guys remember this one. So this, we click on the letter that is not a T. The letter that is not a T. E is not a T. Right? Good job. Let's see. T, T, D. D is not a T. Nice job. T, T, what letter is this? M, like monkey, right? We did that the other day. M is not a T. Nice. And then those are some turtles playing some tunes or some music. One's playing a keyboard and the guitar and drums and a flute. Nice job, you guys. The letter T is all done. Let's do our rule song for calendar. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice work. All right, let's get ready to do our calendar.
Yippee!
All right.
It's April 2020.
First, we start with days of the week, right? Let's do it. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, Yesterday was Thursday. Today is what? Friday. Nice. Can you tell me? Friday. Nice job. It's Friday today. Yay, that's exciting. And if we look ahead, tomorrow will be Saturday.
2020.
All right. So now let's do the months of the year. We remember there's 12 months in the year. I'm not going to use my visual today or the words that you can see. We're going to try to remember what the months are. Are you ready? Let's do it with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. How did you do? Did you say the months? Nice job. This month is April. Can you tell me? What's the month? Nice job. Let's see. Do you guys remember this? Sometimes Miss Amanda is tricky. What letter is missing? This is supposed to be the word April. What letter is missing? The A, right? It starts with letter A. There we go. Now it looks right. Good job. All right, let's do our counting now. It's time to count. Let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. What comes next? 24, right? 24 looks like that. It's a 2 and a 4. Can you tell me what number this is? 24. Great job. All right. So the days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. Counting's all done. We should do the weather now, okay? Let's do weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? So yesterday, Thursday, it was sunny. That's why the sunny picture was here. So I'm looking out my window right now. The weather today is, where I am in Northbridge, it is cloudy. I'm going to pick the cloudy one. The weather today is cloudy. It kind of looks like it might rain today. Let me know if it rains, if it's raining in Milford, okay? All right, so today's weather is cloudy. All right, friends, nice job with calendar. Let's say the whole date, okay? Your turn to tell me. And remember, today is Friday. Nice job. What's the month? April. 24th, 2020. And today's weather was what? I picked cloudy. Yes. Nice job. All right. So calendar is all done. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Miss you.